Hello my lovely friends and welcome back to Just Shake or Stir. Welcome back to another week and another cocktail. This week it will be only one, not like last week or a week before when I shared 3 cocktails in the video. But today it's a little bit different and of course very easy to make, and I hope you're gonna give it a go. Nothing home prepared apart from one ingredient which may be not available to you, but I'll let you know how to do it. It's pretty simple. I have it ready, but it's pretty simple for you. Now the question is this: how often you go home after work and you're absolutely knackered, or you just had a hell of a week or a hell of a day and you just want to have something really quick and easy just to wind down and kind of relax, you know, lower the pressure and just have a wonderful evening. With me it's happened quite often, but most of the time obviously I just go and grab a dram of whiskey or rum or something like that and job done. However, when I'm off like today and I had a not hell of a day but hard day because I'm renovating the house, I'm tired and I need something really easy to make and just to sit down and relax. So that's the case today. So my friends, if you're ready for some shakes, stirs and sips, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and of course, leave me a comment. But for now, let's see the cocktail I have prepared for you today. Okay, today the cocktail is simply called the Orchard Heat. It is heat because it have a little spiciness inside. It is an orchard because it's based on apples. I love apples, but as much I love eating them, I also like them in the liquid form. And today we're gonna have a wonderful, easy to make, quick cocktail, but absolutely delicious to help you relax and wind down after a long or difficult day, okay? Let's start with the ingredients. First, you need a Calvados. I'll be using Avalanche Calvados today. Then you need Apple Liqueur. I use Giffard green Apple Liqueur. And your final ingredients, it's green Chilli Syrup. So this one, my lovely friends, is Bristol Syrups & Co. They are available in UK. I don't know in which other countries they're available. I may check that, but if not, it's simply make yourself a simple syrup and infused with the green chili. Give it a little heat to the syrup. You decide how hot and how spicy you want to be. I like the balance of this Bristol syrup, so I will be using that. And the final ingredients, you need an absinthe. But the absinthe in our case is just a little mist, just to give this wonderful aroma from the absinthe, but it's not gonna play much role in the taste of the cocktail, okay? So if you're ready, let's stir this beautiful cocktail and let's give it a test. Okay, as I mentioned, the cocktail is stirred, so we're building directly in your mixing glass, and we're starting with our Calvados, which is going to be 2 ounces or 60 ml. Yes, nice and strong because you want to wind up, you want to relax, okay? From the Apple Liqueur, we need 1 ounce or 30 ml. And finally our green chili syrup. Now depends how you like your cocktail to be more spicy or just well balanced. You can play with the ratio here. For me, I'll be going with half an ounce or a 15 ml because this one, especially from Bristol Syrups, have a little kick, but it's very well balanced and it's perfect pairing with the lovely Calvados and the green Apple Liqueur, okay? So this is it. That's everything you need. Put some ice in your mixing glass. Now I'll be using today an ice which, as you know, I mentioned before, I do clear ice at home, so this is what it's left. And I don't throw in the bin. I use it for my cocktails to stir or to shake, which is absolutely perfect. It has to be used. Give it a good stir. You need to chill this cocktail really well, so make sure your glass outside is steamed, it's condensed, you have a good chill of the cocktail. It will be served in the chilled glass as well, so it's a straight up, so you need a good cold cocktail, okay? And while I'm stirring, my lovely friends, don't forget to check the Bartender's Lounge, of course, the community if you want to join. And of course, if you want to join Patreon as well. And finally, make sure you check the merch if you want to grab yourself a nice t-shirt or a hat for the upcoming summer. Okay, as you can see, the cocktail is really cold now. The mixing glass is outside, it's absolutely steaming, and I have my serving glass ready. So without wasting any more time, let's grab a... My neighbor is building something again. If you hear some noise from drilling, that's what it is. Ah, beautiful, look at that. Perfect. Now for garnish, there's no garnish here, okay? It's absolutely optional if you want to do garnish. Since I have a little apple tree in my garden, I decide to garnish with a lovely, let me just put it where? On the black so you can see it. Yeah, so I'm gonna be garnishing with a lovely apple blossom on the top, just to float. But this is more about, you know, presentation. If you make this cocktail for yourself, you don't need any type of garnish. You just need to make the cocktail, sit on your sofa and enjoy. And before we try, it's the last thing. Now, in some cases, you can give the mist on the glass inside, but in my case, I will just spray from the top. I just need a little bit of this absinthe aromas to the cocktail, and this, my lovely friends, is the wonderful cocktail called the Orchard Heat. Cheers! Oh, it smells delicious. Oh ho ho! Oh, amazing! Fruity, spicy, full with aromas. The absinthe is bringing this lovely herbal aromas to the cocktail, but of course it doesn't play any role in the taste of the cocktail. All you get from the cocktail, it's a beautiful, fresh, crispy apple, wonderful, kind of a warm feeling from the Calvados, and of course a little hit on the backhand coming from the green chili syrup. It's absolutely fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna make this cocktail because it's fairly easy ingredients to gather and you probably have them already at home. And as always, I'll see you next week with another cocktail, but until then, don't forget to check Mixology hacks for some other videos to make home ingredients. And as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.